I am sharing with you today 10 appetizers that are perfect for your football party gatherings. We love football, but I really love the appetizers and the food on football Sundays. So I'm sharing with you 10 appetizers that are absolutely perfect for your football parties. This appetizer, of course, is a huge crowd pleaser because there's bacon in it, which you can just never go wrong. These are bacon wrapped smokies, and I'm going to be dipping them in some brown sugar as well and baking these in the oven. So I'm going to cut my bacon into some smaller pieces so that they're a really good size to wrap around each little smoky. So I'm going to take my bacon, take my smoky, wrap it around, and I'm going to secure it with a toothpick and add it to I have a foil lined baking sheet, and I just find it much easier for bacon grease just to use the aluminum foil, and it's just way easy to clean up. So I'm just dipping it in my brown sugar. I'm using a brown sugar monk fruit sweetener. You can use regular brown sugar as well. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes, and you can broil them at the end if you would like for a few minutes, make them nice and crispy. These are delicious, huge crowd pleaser, and you can just grab and go. Really good. So I'm going to make a hot bean dip. This is delicious, and it does not last long. Here are all of my ingredients. I am going to be using some cream cheese. My cream cheese is softened to room temperature. I have sour cream. I'm going to use 1 cup of sour cream. I have 2 cans of refried beans. So I'm going to add the refried beans with my other ingredients, and some taco seasoning. You can use mild or spicy taco seasoning, a whole packet of that. This is it's really, really good. My aunt says it tastes like a bean burrito filling, but it is very addicting, and it's just so good with tortilla chips, or you can do some corn chips with this one, really good. So I'm adding this to my Pyrex dish, and it's just dips that are warm are so comforting, and they're so addicting as well. So I just love dips that you bake and keep them warm. So I'm going to spread over a cup of Monterey Jack cheese. I'm also going to add on top a cup of Colby Jack cheese, and it's going to make this a nice cheesy top to this. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes, and it is so good and so addicting. Your crowd will love it. So I'm going to be making a Cowboy caviar type salsa. I have corn, black beans, salsa, green chilies, and an avocado. So I'm going to add everything to my bowl, and this is just so good. Any kind of dips and salsas are just a huge hit at football watch parties, the playoffs, and just a perfect time for football food. Super Bowl coming up soon, and so I am so excited for all of the food to come with all of the football parties. So I'm giving this a good mix. This one is so easy and just is really great. I serve this with tortilla chips, and it's a huge crowd pleaser. So you can do 1 or 2 avocados and just dice them up into small pieces. And depending on how much avocado you want in, like I said, 1 or 2. And you can do a large avocado, or you can do 2 mediums, whichever you prefer. So I'm going to add the avocado in, give it another little mix, and this is ready to go, quick and easy, and oh so delicious and addicting as well. So I'm going to be doing some pinwheels. Pinwheels are super great. I love making them a little bit early, so it's kind of a make-ahead appetizer. You can make these the night before. So I have cream cheese, sour cream, salsa, I have shredded cheese, and I have some taco seasoning. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. I'm going to mix this all together. So once this mixture is all combined, I'm going to add it into my tortillas, and you'll want to use kind of a burrito-sized tortilla is the best. And I'm going to add this mixture in, give it a roll, and I'm going to do that until I am all out of the mixture. So this makes a very big batch, but like I said, this is a really great make-ahead appetizer, and you'll want to make these about the night before so that they can sit up in the refrigerator and become nice and firm before you cut them. So I am going to roll them up, all of these up, and then I'm going to wrap them in cellophane and keep them nice and secure, and then refrigerate these overnight. And then the next day before your function, for your party, your football party, or any kind of function you're having for your appetizers, you can cut them and plate them when it gets closer to time to serve them. So anything that you can make ahead of time, I am a huge fan of, because you want to be enjoying yourself leading up to any kind of parties or events. So these were chilling overnight, and now you just unwrap them and slice them up. You'll want to use a serrated knife to slice these, and so that they don't scrunch down at all. But these are really great, bite size, grab and go. There's all the Fiesta filling, and we love anything that's kind of Fiesta flavored, Tex-Mex flavored. We do a lot of things with taco seasoning because we're just huge fans. So this makes a big, huge batch, and they are amazing. Can't go wrong with any kind of pinwheels, really. So this is a skinny dip, and I have cream cheese, sour cream. You can substitute the sour cream for Greek yogurt if you'd like. I have can of corn that is drained, diced green chilies, which I love diced green chilies in so many different things. I have a red bell pepper that I diced up, and some ranch seasoning, a packet of ranch seasoning. Anything with ranch seasoning, I am a huge fan of. So I'm going to mix all this together. This dip is really, really good. I am just a really big dip fan. It's very addicting, so definitely once you start, you can't stop, but that is okay. It's a special occasion for all kinds of like football watch parties or any kind of functions that you have a get together at. This is so good with Fritos. You can do it with tortilla chips as well if you'd like. I'm going to make some little meatball type subs. These are bite size in my little mini muffin tin, and these are really fun. My kids and family love this one, and so it's definitely on repeat. Anything with meatballs is always a hit, but these are easy and so yummy. So I have my crescent roll dough all nice and flattened out. I'm going to cut it with my pizza cutter into some small squares. I'm going to add it into my mini muffin tin. And I love using crescent roll dough for lots of appetizers. It is just really so versatile and so good. You can customize so many of these. So once that is full, I'm going to add in I'm just going to use spaghetti sauce. You can do a pizza sauce as well if you'd like. This one I'm using is a no sugar added. I love it, and I just love anything that has no sugar added because everything is so full of sugar nowadays. I'm adding in just a regular frozen meatball, so these are so easy. I'm going to add some more sauce on top, just a little dollop. You don't need a lot. So a little bit on top of each meatball. Now I'm going to add on some mozzarella cheese on top of that. And I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. Once these are all ready, they're going to cook in the oven for about 12 to 13 minutes. And you want to serve these warm. They are so good. Just a really awesome grab and go bite size. We love just anything grab and go, finger food, always a huge hit. So I'm using Pillsbury crescent dough again, and I'm going to be making some little taco cups. Like I mentioned earlier, love anything taco related, Southwest related. So these are very, very good. When I make these, people are always requesting the recipe because they are just amazing. So I'm pinching the seams together of my crescent roll dough and making it nice and flat and solid. I'm going to cut it with my pizza cutter like I did before, and then I will add each square into my mini muffin tin. So I always use my mini muffin tin, not a regular muffin tin for these, and it just makes them a really great size. Like I said, I love finger foods that are grab and go, kind of 1 to 2 bites per little appetizer. So these are just really awesome. I have half of a brick of cream cheese, and I have some taco meat, and this is about half of a pound of taco meat already made up with the taco seasoning. So I'm adding in a dollop of the taco meat and cream cheese into each little square, and this is just so good. The cream cheese really makes it nice and creamy, gives it lots of flavor and richness as well. The taco meat we just love also. I'm going to top these with just a little sprinkle of cheddar cheese. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. These take about 11 to 12 minutes in the oven, and they are just amazing. These are a huge, huge hit. A grab and go, kind of bite size. You just pop it in your mouth. Not messy at all, so I love that. You can top these when they're done with some avocado is what I love. You can do some diced tomato as well. Some cilantro would be great. I'm going to do some stuffed mushrooms, perfect for football parties. I love this jalapeno artichoke dip. It is hands down one of my favorite dips. I use it for so many different things. But I'm just going to put a dollop of this dip into my mushroom. I already have them cleaned with the stems off. I have my baking mat lined cookie sheet, and my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. Once these are all made up, I'm going to bake these in the oven for about 20 minutes. And they are just one of my favorite, all-time favorite football party appetizers are these stuffed mushrooms. I'm going to use my Crockpot for this dip, which I love using my Crockpot for dips, keeping it warm and delicious throughout your whole party. So I have a pound of ground turkey. I have a can of Rotel cheese, or a can of Rotel tomatoes. I have 1 cup of Southwest blend veggies, and I have some Velveeta cheese. Velveeta cheese just really melts so awesome, and it's perfect for Crockpot dips. So I'm just going to cut this into some smaller pieces. I'm going to put my lid on here and let this cook. So you can do on high or on low, depending on how long you have for this to cook. I like to stir it about every 30 minutes and mix around the cheese and ingredients. I serve this with tortilla chips, or you can do Fritos corn chips as well. Huge, huge hit. I absolutely love this one. So good. So I'm going to make some pigs in a blanket. I have crescent roll dough and little smokies, and we make these all the time. They are a huge hit with the adults and the kids. So when we have football parties, there is always a batch of these for sure. So they are very easy. You can make them a little bit ahead of time as well, which is awesome. I usually make them in the morning before the party, and then you can just put them in the refrigerator and then pull them out when you are ready to bake them. But I just cut the dough with my pizza cutter. You just wrap each little smoky in a little bit of the dough. You can preheat your oven at 350 degrees, and these are going to take about 11 to 12 minutes to cook. You can serve this with a side of ketchup, a side of mustard, and these do not last long in our house at all. We usually double the batch because they are such a big hit. So like I said, there is not a party or function in our family where somebody doesn't bring some of these. So they are always just a huge crowd pleaser. I hope you loved these 10 football party appetizer ideas. I loved sharing them with you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope that you enjoy these.